Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to turn off location services on Gmail using your PC, especially after the latest updates. If privacy is a concern for you, stick around to learn how to disable location tracking in just a few simple steps. First, go ahead and open your browser and navigate to gmail.com. Log in to your account if you aren't already. Once you're signed in, look at the address bar where you'll see the web address for Gmail. Right next to it, you'll find a small icon that indicates the site information. Click on that icon to reveal more options. Now, a menu will pop up showing you basic information about the site. Look for the option that says Site Settings and click on it. This is where you'll be able to adjust various permissions for Gmail. Finally, under the Permissions section, locate the option for Location. If it's currently set to Allow, simply click on it to disable the location permissions. This will ensure that Gmail no longer has access to your location data. And that's it. You've successfully turned off location services for Gmail on your PC. Remember, managing your online privacy is crucial, and taking a few minutes to adjust these settings can make a significant difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.